Okay, class 8, this is your part 6 video from chapter 11. Okay, and this is your linear inequation chapter, and today we start from the question number 2, that is subjective questions. Minus 1 upon x is equals to minus 7 upon 2 plus 2 upon x. Find the value of x. Okay, so minus 1 upon x, this plus 2 upon x come this side, it getting minus, so it's minus 2 upon x equals to minus 7 upon 2. Taking the LCM of x, okay, minus 1 minus 2 minus 7 upon 2, that is minus 3 upon x equals to minus 7 upon 2. Okay, this minus cancel. Okay, so 2 into 3, that is 6, equals to 7 into x, that is 7x. So therefore the value of x equals to 6 upon 7. Clear? Now this is time for question number 4. In question number 4, 2x minus 12 upon 9 minus x upon 7 equals to x upon 8 plus x minus 1 by 11 minus 9. Okay, so first of all we're taking the LCM of these two particular. Okay, what is 9 or LCM? 7 is 63, so this one divided 63, that is 7, and 7 multiplication of 2x minus 12 minus 7 divided 63 is 9 into x, that is 9x. Okay, equals to, taking the LCM of 8 and 11 is 88, so 8 divided 88 is 11 into x is 11x, plus 88 divided by 11 it's 8, so 8 multiply by x minus 1 minus 88 into 9. Okay, so 7 into 2, that is 14x, minus 7 into 12 it's 84, minus 9x by 63 equals to 11 into x, 11x, plus 8x minus 8 1 ja 8 minus 8 9 ja 72, 7 72 and 7 it's 79. Okay, by 88. Clear? So 14x minus 9x is 5x minus 84 by 63 equals to 11x plus 18x, that is 19x minus 8 and minus 792, minus minus plus, that is 800, and put the sign of the bigger value. Okay, by 88. Clear? Okay, so 5x cross multiply, that is 5x minus 84 multiply by 88 and 63 multiply by 19x minus 800. Okay, so it's 8 5 ja 44, 440x minus 88 into 84, that is 4 8 ja 32, 3 32 3 35, 8 8 ja 64, 6 64 and 6 70, that is 2937 7392. Okay, 63 into 19, so 9 3 ja 27, 2 54, 2 56, 3 6, that is 7 9 11, that is 1197x minus 0 0 8 3 ja 24, 2 8 6 ja 48, it's 50, so 50 400 00 8 3 ja 24. Okay, clear? This side is completed, we erase it. Okay, so 440x, when 1197x come this side, that is minus 1197x minus 50400, this minus going this side, that is plus 797392. Okay, so when we minus, that is 794 1147 757x minus, and here is 50400 minus 7392, that is 8990 330 3, that is 43008 minus, so minus minus cancel, x equals to 43008 by 757. Okay, so 4300 757 divided by, that's 6 5 5 7 5 7 5 5 7 35 3 25 28 2, it's 37 35. Okay, so it's 5 times 3 7 8 5, that is 5 9 8 1 12 7, it's 515 and 8. Okay, so 5 7 5, it's multiply by 7 6 7 6 6 and 42 4 6 5 30 4 3 42, it's 45. Okay, so 6 times is 4 5 4 2. Okay, so up to here, what is the answer? Left is okay. So no need to subtract. This is your answer, because in your answer sheet this is your answer. So you left the question here. Okay, left the answer here, note it down. No division is required. Okay, for question number 6, the sum of two number is 112 and their difference is 62. Find the numbers. Okay, so what the question is, the sum of two number is 112. Let two number be x and y. Okay, so the sum of two number is x plus y equals to 112. This is your equation 1, and the difference of two number is 62. So x minus y equals to 62, equation 2. Okay, so find the numbers. This minus y plus y cancel, that is 2x. So 2 7 174. So x equals to 174 by 2, that is 887. Okay, note. Question number 8. In question number 8, if you divide the difference of twice the number and 7 by 3, and the difference of number and 3 by 2, you will get the same number. Find the number. Okay, question is, if you divide the difference of twice the number and 7 by 3, and the difference of number and 3 by 2, you will get the same answer. That means find the number. So let the number be x. First is, if you divide the difference of twice the number and 7 by 3, the answer you get is exactly equal to the difference of the number and 3 by 2. Okay, so 2 multiply 2x minus 7 and 3 multiply x minus 3. So 2 2 ja 4x minus 14 and 3x minus 9. So 4x, this plus 3 come this side, that is minus x, minus 9 plus 14. So x equals to 5. So the number is 5. Let's check it out. That twice the number, that is 10 minus 7 divided by 3. So 3 by 3 is 1. And you'll check here the difference number, that means 5 minus 3 divided by 2, that is 2 by 2. Oh, answer match. That means this answer is correct. Okay, note it down. Question number 10. In question number 10, A is 5 years older than B. 5 years ago, A was twice as old as B. Find their present age. Okay, A is 5 years older than B. So let present age of B be x years, and A is 5 years older. So A age is x plus 5 years. Okay, 5 years ago, that means 5 years ago, 5 years ago. So 5 years ago, age of A is x plus 5 minus 5, and B age is x minus 5. 5 years ago, 5 साल पीछे, 5 years ago, A was twice as old as B. That means A was twice. A was twice. That means if A is 10, so B is 5. That is A is twice. So for equal, you multiply 2 in B. So that's why multiply 2 in B portion. Okay. So x plus 5 minus 5 cancel. 2x minus 10. So x plus 2x comes this side. That is minus 2x minus 10. So minus x equals to minus 10. So this is cancelled. So x equals to 10. That means the present age of B is 10 years, and present age of A equals to 10 plus 5, because here is representing x plus 5. So value of x is 10. So 10 plus 5 is 15 years. Okay, note. Question number 11. A man travelled 1/4 of the distance by taxi, 3/5 by train, and 1/8 by the bus, and the remaining 8 kilometer on foot. What is the length? What is the length of his total journey? Okay. A man travel 1/4 distance by taxi. So let total journey be x kilometer. Okay. So by taxi he travel 1/4. So that means x by 4 kilometer he travel by taxi. 3 by 5th by train, so train equals to 3 by 5th, that means 3x by 5 kilometer. By bus 1 by 8, so 1 by 8 by bus, x by 8 kilometer, and the remaining 8 kilometer remaining is given, so remaining 8 kilometer, okay, 8 kilometer by foot. So you see, first of all we find out this one, how much distance is traveled by taxi, train and bus. So x upon 4 plus 3x by 5 plus x upon 8, that is taking the LCM is 40, so it's 10x plus 5 divide 40 is 8, so 8 3 are 24x, that is 5, that is 5x, so 10 5 15 15 and 24, that is 39x by 40. So remaining journey equals to x minus 39x by 40, okay, because total journey is x and he travel 39x 40 up to here, so remaining journey is given, that is remaining journey is 8 kilometers, so 8 upon x minus 39x by 40. Clear? The total journey we consider x, and by train, taxi and by bus he traveled 39x by 4 kilometer. So from the total journey, how much he covered by train, taxi and bus, if we deduct that, subtract, we get the remaining journey. So remaining journey hour is 8, okay, because remaining journey is given. So 8 40, it's 40x minus 39x, so 8 equals to 40 minus 39x is x is 40, so 40 into 8, that is 320. So total journey is 320 kilometer. Okay, note.